How to update TikTok? Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone like this, and if you are facing some errors in your TikTok app, then you have to update the app. Before updating, you have to move to your Play Store in your phone like this. Play Store, just you have to open it like this. I have to open it and click on it right here, the TikTok app. Just you have to click on TikTok. If that TikTok needs update, then this type of update will appear here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Just you have to click on update. In this way, the TikTok will be updated in this form. Now you can get your videos without error, or you will not face any of the network problem. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.